Management Gurus by Alejandro Sustaita. Let's talk first about the father, considered the father of the quality is Deming. He born in Iowa and he used to be an American statistician. Also, he was an educator, but always he was very focused on quality control, industrial processes. He was very interested in the Japan economy after the World War II because he was uh, reviewing their methods and how the Japanese firms were increasing the quality. Also, after that he reviewed and he defined many processes like quality control methods, systems, what will be the defects in the during the processes, and also how we can correct those processes in order to have continuous improvement processes that allow to the companies to improve their performance and also the product quality. Their contributions were, for example, the seven deadly disease. These are behaviors that the companies or the process needs to avoid in order to have a quality mindset and to improve all their processes and achieve their goals. Also to retain all their customers and provide them products with the highest quality. For example, one of the topics is to avoid the avoid to be focused always on cost because sometimes the cost um, is not always providing the quality mindset. Sometimes we could spend a little bit more in the product in order to achieve quality, but at the end, the cost of having a failure in quality will be higher. Also help us to review that we need to have a better leaders. The Minx 14 points, it's a behavior and also a mindset about how we could improve all the processes. For example, talk about the leadership is very important. Also the training on the job, how the leaders will continue improving the processes and so on. The Deming wheel is the most important because the Deming wheel help to plan an action or plan how to avoid any incorrect processes. Then when it's implemented is the do, we need to check it. Once we check it, we are able to improve. So that means that we will act on that. Durans also he born in Romania. Also he lived in U.S. and he was a professor teaching about the quality topics. Also he was very interested in the Japanese firms who had a very quality processes and he started reviewing this. Also the Institute Juran was created in order to improve the quality. The most important here is the Pareto principle because the 20% of anything is the 80% of the results. The 20% of the errors provide or the processes give us the 80% of the errors that we could have. Also, the 20% of the improvements will give us the opportunity to improve our processes in an overall 80% of result. Also, the Juran trilogy, it's very important because we need to plan the quality, even the cost, the processes, then control it. If we don't control nothing, we never going to improve. So this is a circle. If we plan, I need to put it, establish, then control it through KPIs, through metrics. Once I have the result, I need to review the results and start working on the improvement. The other is Crosby. It's very interesting because he used to be a businessman, and he provides us the vision of a businessman. He started his company, but he was very focused on the zero defects. This methodology, the first 4 steps to quality, provides a guideline about how the requirements will be very clear, how the people needs to be trained in order to achieve the goals, and also that the price is not always the most important, and the quality always is zero defects. In order to have that, he provides a clear mindset about the quality improvements. And this is I like it so much because it's focused from a businessman vision. For example, says that the leaders, the supervisors needs to be trained. We need to work as a team in quality teams, and we need to always provide a zero defect mindset in all the areas, establish programs about zero defect programs, and also review what are the issues and provide immediately correction plans. This is the presentation that I want to give you, and thank you for your time.